Alena? You never dey sleep? We have smile so we had a dream. Yeah, dream. Here's your food.
Thank you.
Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
Good girl. Alright. Hurry up and eat up because you have to go to school here. No, don't shake your head. When somebody talking to you, you say yes, or yes miss, no miss, or yes mommy, yes daddy. Okay? Depends on the person who's talking to you. So I am saying to you that you must hurry because you're going to school and I don't want you to late. Okay? Say yes mommy.
Yes, mommy.
Good girl, eat up. Must feed her. What is this? Alena, how much time until you say to stop with dirty things in your mouth? You know what is this? This is very dangerous. In your nose, and your throat, and your eye, in your ears. Don't pick up stuff and put it in your mouth, nor nowhere on you. Matter of fact, once you get this off the ground, it is dirty and you will catch germs. Okay? So don't pick it up again. Okay, mommy. Mommy love you here. I mean, when you catch your germs, come, you have to go care about that doctor. Throw it out. Eat up your food. I'm ready if you go to school. I wonder which part of daddy there. I left some of the food for you, man. And I don't like when you get in food cold. Come, eat up. That's something in your mouth? Okay, eat all that out of your mouth. This one give you some drinks, eh, baby? Okay. When you finish eat out in your mouth, you tell me, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Good girl.
Candy!
Yeah. You know something just done cook?
I wonder say how
And I wonder where you there.
Oh, I got my baby. Oh my God. Daddy love you, you know? You know Daddy love you, right?
Daddy speaking to you, baby.
You know Daddy love you, right?
Say yes, daddy.
Yes, daddy.
Alright, wait, come on.
Alright.
May I turn over the something with the right here? So here, me no want to break.
Eat some food. Eat some
Alright, eat
food.
up, baby, and get nice and strong. Here? Listen, you come home crying the other day. More than one time. You said to me that the kids are bullying you at school. And I don't like that. Bullying is wrong. You hear me? I did not send you to school to bully anyone. And I know that you're a very quiet, nice little girl. Not because you're mine. I know that you are not troubling anyone. And once me see you come home, you know, and they cry, me know something wrong with you. Every day they beat you up at school, take away your lunch and take away your lunch money. And you tell me, say, complain to the teacher. How comes they not do nothing about it?
You don't know?
Bullying is wrong. Anytime any kids fight you at school, take away your lunch money or your lunch, you need to tell the teacher and come home and tell me or your daddy. You hear me?
What you said? Tell the teacher, right?
I need to speak to that principal because it look like so when you talk to the teacher, then take it for a joke.
Oh, my pretty daughter, man. Eat your food, man.
Eat up your food, baby.
I must say I can't fish you go to school, you know, so.
But she have to eat something first before she go.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, eat up it. You can't go force it down her throat. She have to take her in. Remember, she's small.
Are close press already?
Long time. I just eat more and she eat. She get
Look,
ready.
you're dangerous. Look behind you.
What?
Look behind you. Look, they're close that no press yet.
Oh God. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to the one of the press I eat you wear from the day before.
Alright, mama.
And that one
You like the food?
shut bad.
Enjoy?
Yes, daddy.
Ah, come over, daddy. Boy. You know me love you, girl. Your birthday, I come over and soon get a nice present.
The one I did press you wear the day before. That one I want to press.
Just press it something. You soon come, yeah?
She know alright.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
on. And she needs some juice or water or
Juice?
something.
Make her some juice, yeah.
Someday. Next time I eat, I'm gonna choke yourself here. Alright. If you go start out them uniform here for you. If you go to school. I'm not understanding the teacher there. You cry and go to the teacher? Huh? Did you cry and go to the teacher?
No, mommy.
You You did not cry. You only tell her what the child did to you and she don't do anything. Okay. Alright, no worry yourself. Me will go talk to your teacher. Maybe talk to your teacher myself. No worry about it.
So soon come.
Alright. Your food out there is up on the table, right? Alright, no full up your belly and no liquor water because you need to eat some food because it look like I said, you can't get to eat your food at school sake of them picking there because them are bully. You understand? And it look like me have to go carry police go over the school. I don't want nobody bully you. You hear me? I don't want nobody fight you. Nobody not supposed to lick you, they don't have to put their hand on you. Them is not your mother and your father. You understand me?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Young boy know say you did not trouble them. Every day they torment you. You can't take this no more, man. It's either me have to go change you from the school, put you in a different school, or you stay there so I call Ministry of Education because it's not right. Bullying, you're wrong. You're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. Stop bullying people's kids or people's children. Yeah. Anyway, guess what? I don't want to eat no more until maybe later. I go give you lunch plus your breaks and give you a little money to pay your fare. Although, maybe I come with you this morning or the next morning. I need to call the teacher because I have her number. Come baby, put your foot down here son. What down here son? Come on, five bed. I love eating I did bed already, but my backside. You know, so I never remember if you tell the father say something wrong with the iron. How your clothes are going iron now? Well, for the one day I go to school, come around here so to me, baby. Look crushed up like a crackers. I pray God cover you under your blood. Under him blood, not your blood. Sorry, that was a mistake. I'm so sorry. Like when you have cold, they're gonna make you keep on this. Put on your the uniform blouse. And pray God cover you under him blood. From the hands of the enemy then. They don't bully people picking too much. No man, this needs to go aboard. They need to have some parents teacher meeting or something. Or teacher meeting or whatever. I don't know. But something needs to be done about this. You cannot bully people picking so. How do you so? Look how you're pretty and you're nice. Not because we don't have it like for them parents. No, they're not supposed to treat us at school. No. I mean, no, say some parents then tell them fitness if you lick them back, and take them back their lunch, but I'm not going to tell you that because it is wrong. I write thing I do my baby. Come home and complain to me because you tell the teacher and then I do not. I will go to them myself. Where's your shoes? Sit over there so you're gonna go feet. Alright, turn around. Yeah, get fat man. Come let me have to go make one next uniform for you. Well, go and get your shoes. Where's your socks? Come, you look like your socks in there? Okay, come. Alright, come baby, come. Hurry up and come on time, they go. Give me your foot. You did lotion? Oh, Jesus. Me have to get hot over me and worry. Give me your foot, give me your foot. Give me your next foot. I say it smells nice. Wow, my baby smells good. No, I don't want you to use for your face in the time hot, you're going to sweat. So I'm just going to put a little bit for your face and look so dry. Here, if you remember, I said daddy and mommy loves you here.
Yes.
We love you. We love you very much. Come.
I love you, mommy.
Love you too, baby. Give me your next foot. Put on your shoes. Learn to put your shoes on by yourself. You're getting a big girl now. Yeah. Hurry up, time ago, maybe devotion will start. Although after devotion, we need to speak to the teacher then. Because I don't understand how you not eat no lunch yesterday at school. This is serious. They give you your lunch and then take it from you. Wickedness. You come home with us. Bite pan hand. Watch it. Cut. Turn on. Turn on, let me see good. What them do to you? Watch out. Sweet God. See there, I send my pitney to school without mark. She come home back with scar on her. Eh? Mark or scar, the same thing. God look on it. See the Jesus. Now if you find money, if you send her a doctor. I mean, not have it. Jesus. You don't want no more. Alright, come on, my baby. Oh, you gotta do what now, guys, school. That's cool, baby. Alright, later here. Oh, man, good? Yeah, very well. Again, dig in, man. Come. Later here, come. Right?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, let's go.
Where's Daddy?
Oh, Daddy, he will be here soon. Alright. Daddy soon come here.
Daddy here, man.
Oh, see Daddy there.
Ah, Jesus, come on, girl. Oh, jump, man. Oh, bump up on me hat. You alright?
Yes.
So you're gonna go to school and be a big girl today?
You have no money
Right?
in your pocket. No money at all. I can't believe your pocket empty. Alright, hold on. Okay.
So now-
Anyway, where are money they figure at school?
Oh, I'm going to get some money, man.
How much money?
Why not easy? You can't forget that thing?
No one nobody take liberty or more than how they take liberty at school. I know
So
no
children
people,
can-
no taxi driver. Yeah man, a $50 fare and I remember say she's small. So she her lunch in her bag. She have 50 go 50 come back and she can use this buy any little juice or water and stuff.
Because you know, pick
Here
up
you
some
go,
money
baby.
for the road. You don't have money
In
right
your
now.
pocket. Put in.
Alright, so you're going to go to school now. And you're going to do school work, right? You're going to do, make sure you say you do your work. You stay teacher. Be a good girl. Don't follow nobody. Alright? Okay, mama? Alright, okay.
Kiss daddy, kiss daddy.
Alright.
Let's go.
I'll see you later. Here, mama?
Almost later now.
Alright. I'll pull the gate for you, man. Here?
Tell daddy bye.
Bye.
Have a good day today at school.
Yes, daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Watch me Prime Minister.
Okay.
Watch me lawyer. Yeah, babe. Yeah, man. I tell you from long time, so I'm a single man. Yeah. I want to live with my daughter. And, you know, I just done Carabao school a while ago and thing. You know what I mean? So it's like, say, you want to come here? No, you can't come here, because I guess I don't really want you to come at the yard, fish part, my daughter there and come see you. And then, you know what I mean, go call some, because I don't really want to just bring you in just like that. What I'm going to do is I get a hotel and make me go to a hotel to stay. You understand? And we can talk from this and we can do a thing and, you know, get used to each other. Yeah, man. Don't worry about money, man. Money is not a problem. You know me, man. I'm mean in public, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Come on, look at sexiness. Yeah. I tune know. Them picture the way I show up on Instagram, man. Yo. Them beautiful. I love them. Yeah, man. That's something I'm really. You know what I'm I'm going to see if I can organize. Yes, I'm going to see if I can organize for with me a link up. Because we have to do business. Yeah. Next week start then? Yeah, man, next week start this on good weekend thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so Yeah, man, we get back to you. Church? Let's talk about church. No worry about that. Never see me can get her to go to church too.
Yeah, but we are talking.
You remember them Jehovah Witness people that were passed through? They end up get me number. I don't know how they get me number, but for some reason I don't know where I'm going. But them alright, man. I just entertain them to make them know say boy, me not disrespectful. But what going? You drop a baby at school?
Yes, I'm tired. Feel like them you talk to?
Yes, them you talk to.
Okay.
So what going with you? Hungry?
Me tired bad.
Come in,
Bad,
man.
bad.
Come in, we can relax yourself a little bit. Yeah,
You know,
because...
me see one of the teacher them and me talk to them. Yes, man.
What teacher say?
Me not understand a teacher there. It's either they go off it, put another teacher in that class, or we pick me from the school. Because me not like what she has say.
What she
Me
say?
I wonder if the kids them we are trouble our child, she and them related. Me
She
not
a
like
take
what
side?
she a pick side.
Jeez,
Like she a
I'm
take up for them and they say they non trouble her, and if they when they trouble her, she'd have come report to her. But remember say she come home and tell me.
And then the worst thing about it, she's not an outspoken person.
Yes. She will just sit down and take them. Take them.
Hold on, we mean lick them. So people are beat her for school?
So me never tell you.
No,
Me
not tell
never
me.
remember if tell you. Then take away our lunch. Then take away our money. Then slap her in her face. Me even see she come home with bite on her hand.
What you tell me, sir?
Yes. The amount of things them when she come home can tell me.
No, sir. Alright. But me go have to go do then if that's the case. Then I go down to school.
Yes.
After I go down to school.
This is bullying. Them are intimidate her and the only thing she can do is cry. She can't do nothing else about it and come home and
cry.
tell me.
Come on, so baby.
She's uncomfortable.
What you think for the move her from the school then?
Not yet, babes. Me need to talk to the principal, and if she don't have anything constructive to tell me pertaining to the situation, me need to call Ministry of Education. You understand? Because this needs to settle. Too much bullying are going in our school them. And you know, it's not only for our school. No. The other day me hear one lady that thought the same thing. How them a bully our son. Fight him, bust up all in head and not come out of tight. Well, our child, something have to come out of tight. Because if we not take up this in a hand and stop it, make the bullying stop.
Stop, actually, man, you have to stop.
You know how much pitney they must say they bully at school and now and not come out of it because parents now go then go try to settle the matter.
True.
But this now go so. Bullying is wrong. Children are intimidate other people, children at school. It is not right. Babes, we have to take up this in our hand.
Because as I say, you know, it's because we give her so much love and we show her so much affection and she not really look because she have her darling things she want and all these things. Me think that she not really have that.
But she
that
not,
fight
she's
the
not
fight
the
back
type of person.
Me not say me want her to fight
Let
back.
me tell you know who she take off her? You, afraid of people. Because if I did me, she take off her. You know it's a problem at school.
No, I'm glad to say
Okay.
you should take off her.
And you she take off her with the softness and the this and the that and people lick her and she not hit them back. Me, if I did me, she take off her, should have to slap back one of them. Even though it wrong still. But me tired of it. Me tired of it.
Here we go after because you see sometimes the pitney who are bullying the next pitney is that they don't have as much love surround them. So them kind of show it out in them actions. So what I think so we have to do, firstly we go the right way. Talk to the teacher, ask the teacher for actually just even if you have a meeting with both parents and see what going on. Obviously what going on, you know.
And not only one picnic the liquor at school.
But if you start somewhere.
A whole heap of children are bully her at
But
school.
we have to start, is that me I tell you so if you move the picnic from the school,
No,
is that we start
You
somewhere
go listen to what you
them?
say? Because that's true. You know, I mean, calm down. I mean, I want to do it the wrong way. Thank God that you should take off because maybe I would have worse a problem. You understand what I say? Me don't like it. This thing need to stop. It need to stop. Me not like it. It need to stop. Stop bullying other children at school. It is wrong. You know, say some. It look like you don't read the news. Go look on CNN. Look on the other rest of station them all over the world. How much parents and police and everybody they talk and kids that cry. Family they bawl over other family. How them picnic commit suicide or them poison themselves and what hour. When you find out the nitty-gritty, guess what?
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure at school.
So,
Stop bullying children them.
I'm going to find out if it's stop it. But you
And the bigger one them are do it too.
True.
To the younger
Bigger
kids.
one.
Then if you stop it. Look here.
yeah, come on.
Yeah,
Come on, come open up here.
You can't bother. Then if you tap him man, you can't take it no more. When you know come home with bite,
True.
you she come home with crying and face. You should soon come home with busted like a woman pitney when you hear them a chat about that day. You can't
true.
take him man.
Go on again, now come. Call me later, call me later. Don't call me tonight. Don't call me tonight. Because I have one conference meeting, alright? May I come?
Here down your cousin will if you down because I soon come back. And get one for roast.
Okay, mommy.
Mm-hmm. You're soon alright here?
Mm-hmm.
You're soon alright here?
Yes.
I'll stay with her until I come back here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'll buy medicine for you. Alright, go on in. I make sure stay with you till you come more. Here, I get one little rose to go wash some clothes. So soon come back.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, come on and buy one medicine for her.
Alright, make sure come in, alright?
Yeah man, later.
Alright.
Yeah, go buy 3 bills, gas to me and come back.
Yes, sir, brother.
Yeah, this ever.
Yeah, my boss.
Yeah,
Where see I go now? So, boss, how you work go today, sir?
Boy, I'm there trying to fit up our engine, but I want to clean up. You
So-
see I do?
So, me clean up the engine.
Yeah. So, when you clean off the silicone off of this and wash it after I come back.
Alright, boss, respect. I'm a deal. Me deal with you, man.
Yeah.
Boss, you can't trust me, you know?
You trust you, man?
Alright, boss.
So,
So-
crepe and crepe.
Creep off yourself. Everything off of yourself.
Yeah. Till I come. Creep
Alright.
off them place and clean off silicone.
Alright, boss.
So, you can get the gas to wash it up.
Oh, you saying you gonna get the gas already?
Yeah, for wash it up.
Alright, boss, respect. So, me go and clean up it. So, give me about 5 minutes, my boss.
Yeah.
So, enough money for that one, not your boss.
You want to know my money business too.
No, boss, me I deal with you, man.
Yeah, I so come back.
Alright, boss.
Babes,
How's going with you?
you know someone talk to you?
You walk, see boss pass you?
Oh, where your boss?
You
I know
see,
your boss, you know, I see one in per man out there, so.
when I tell you them, man, you want a grey shirt.
Yeah, me pass one man out there, so on his phone.
So you
Look
see,
like
man.
him.
Yeah, find him going with your privacy can't tell. Where you going?
Nah, tell a lie. You need to spend some more time with your youth. Me alone can't do it. You have to spend some more time with her. You left everything for me.
What do you mean, say me left everything fine? We are talking about. You know, some day I work. So, some people left work and go go for school or go for yard and go spend more time with her when me have stuff to do. I work my day I work, you know.
Babes, this had happen for a long time. Before you get this a job here, and you never dey work, I same thing you do. You gone a road with your friend them. Me alone have to do housework, wash, cook, clean. When at school time, me have to iron her clothes, clean her shoes, even carry her go to school. You leave everything for me, not even for carry her go to school one morning. Thank God you get that job here, yes, me understand. So you can go leave the job and come stay with her. But how much hour you do? A security work you do? A 7 to 7 you do? That mean a 12 hour.
See,
Because when you leave Friday the morning, you come back with in the night. Not even if you pick up the youth at school. Me can't take you no more, man.
So you tell me, so me Me don't love my daughter.
I am not saying that.
So what you say to
Me
me?
know say you love her. But you need to put out more love, more interest. Show the child say you love her and she have a daddy. Just giving children money and everything they ask you for. I know that alone.
You see, worst
They
part.
need love.
Hold on a man.
They need the attention. They need to feel, say, yes, me have a daddy and feel important just like any other children at school. No wonder why then they do her so at school, because she feel left out.
But another that, you know.
Because every picnic, she come home and tell me, in the evening, yesterday, say, how much picnic they come to her and chat about, you're not no father, you're not no father. You see, parents teachers meeting is very important. If the mother cannot attend it, the father's supposed to turn up once they're not busy. And you're never going on all. Every time I'm me alone, the parents teacher meeting, there's a need to go if I even 2 times, make the teacher them see you. Because you know already. So when picnics, they say, other children, parents not come at school, then feel left out. So then torment them, then bully them. They antagonize them.
You see, the worst thing about this, you try to make me feel bad like me and them. Me and them, you know. I am not them. If me there's what I do? Look, I real dirty say, you know. Because real work me I do.
That look like a grease.
Yeah, real agree, same thing. I real work me do. So not act like say me I run up and down and I have time for myself and all these things because you don't see me. Look on all my phone mash up, you know. Me there so I beat out hell out of one iron.
God go help you to get one phone.
And the phone just, yo, listen to me, babe. Me not really want you to come here and depress me more of me depressed and want to get this thing done. So just understand, say, yo, me I try to find the time. Hopefully, when me done this, I can go and maybe carry out for ice cream or something like that. But right now, you can't pressure me certain way. You can't feel like me not do nothing.
Me remember to tell you, you know, say I saw them the teacher they stay. Them no phone me and tell me say them a give her paper for come give me. When me search her bag and look if she eat her lunch, me see one note in there. You know say her school fee due.
You know,
Yeah.
so left me after them do my work and I can pay school fee then. No? You come here and know I dip on my brain.
Every term me have to pay.
No, but the boss soon come back right now and ask me say if the work done.
I know you alone. I know you alone. And me I do the most I hit because I want to watch people dirty.
What you work on?
I walk and watch people dirty clothes and much time and do enough things where you need to do when you never they work.
Yeah, but you have to understand me I work now, so give me a chance to work now. No? You have pressure me for.
Other man where you come at your boss?
No, your man want to look at you that. In work at a gas then send him go and
I
buy.
don't want to hear me in your conversation, so I go still. When I come home, me talk to you.
But you come home now and feel like say boy.
You don't have to leave your job because I come to you. At least nobody in the year, so when me I talk to you me I talk to.
It's all good, man. Everything good.
But you need to pay attention to your picnic. See your fear I drop out of your pocket there.
My fear, alright. Man, I'm going to go that.
Later, when you come home.
I will come home. But since I'm going to check out. Yo, where the gas there? Where you get the gas? Alright. I'm not waste time around and saying no. And the boss will say to give it. Scrap it down. Yeah, boss. Yeah, man, I done that long time, boss. I'm on a different one now, you know. Remember I say, man, I say, scrap down because you try to do an engine change. I'm going to see silicone. I have a silicone right there, so. Yeah, man. The gasket there. Yeah, boss. So you say soon forward. So we go and do it, no boss, we can do it, you know. Make it so that I can't do it, so like me can't do my work. Where you going with? Watch it, you know. Come here, tell you right as a guy, you know, for man to come up here and tell me about school fee and them something in the boss. So me not go hold up your work for in the boss. Because when mountain come, you don't want you woke up, me don't want you hold up that thing there, you know. Yeah, boss. We say soon forward. Alright. Me I go and put in the gasket tonight, yeah? Alright. Go and strip them. In the meantime. Now ramp round here, I think a ramping thing. See if it fit. See if I same size. Same size, alright. Where's the gas there? The gas one is up.
No, man. How are this? How me candy tap a look for me? So, what me do you know, candy?
You have a right for the ask me. Because from other day, I want to talk to you. Because every man, me have to come out early with me pitney go to school. And me hear where you talk about me and my man say. Me tell you something, little girl. You think that you me and your cousin? Eh? You think so me free to bust up your face? How you feel like? Girl, when you stop and call up my name.
How are this for me today, Jesus? But how are the woman, your man? Me, I call up your name? Oh, Jesus Christ, if you're not busy, come here, God.
God ever busy. And don't call God name when you put your little dirty mouth on people where live a better life than you. Actually, everything me have and you ask me feed from you in need of it from me and me can't give it to you, me give it to you. Why you take my name and I care all over the place?
Me, Candy?
Me and your cousin.
Me not care your name go no way. That a lie. That a lie. Nobody can tell you say me I care your name go all about this street. Nobody
For
can.
a long time I know see your tan so. Love yap your mouth. You love chat and care news to get things. But you see anyhow, me then know way again. And here say you, they call up Fimi and my baby father name, you will see Fimi. Anyway me hear it, if you're the past there right there, so me I bust up your face. Or anywhere else me buck you up. Girls, stop from watch out my business.
That a lie.
Whatever.
That's a big lie. Anybody will tell us to tell him to top call up my name and avoid me.
Ashley,
When they see me.
Ashley, me and your cousin, I look my man. How comes you fi go and tell Pamela say my baby father they keep girl with me and me they show off and they go on like I say me
Pamela come to with argument you see it do Father God. Pamela carry your name. Say how can they not take care and pitney and man every day they ain't gone left you pitney alone you pitney lonely and traumatized. And you traumatized the pitney because you
Oi. Then say anything you do and family knowing they better, you know. And you see you? I'm here you live, girl. And me will run you out before my baby father come back. The last time you mess around me, you know, I did put you out, you know, with the bag, you know. And my baby father big for you, you know. So, you with your little liar tongue, where they walk and call up my man name, or he have woman with me and me, they come go on like I say me better than you.
You hear me, sister? You better.
Me not hear when you say so.
Say
But
can't go court and you fit up make people tell you lie and you come and come cuss your cousin. Eh? You make people tell you lie and then Pamela come tell me how you come here Ashley me have something to tell you because Candy and he man now take care of Pitney and he Pitney traumatized and he Pitney act different. I mean I say nothing like that. Little girl alright, she go to school every day. She alright, she's a nice little girl and my little cousin, I love her. No, Ashley, no. Candy gone about him business gone run upon double.
And you gonna tell the girl how me I keep man with my man. What you feel like?
Me?
You ever see
Lord.
me? Which man you see me I keep with my man? And my baby father alone me have. Me not like chat to two man one time. My baby father can't trust me. Me more fi not trust him. All when me no believe saying they have woman with me, girl, me no want me if you have nothing. You see, me and your cousin, make we live in a peace. You hear me I tell you? Make we live in
You know,
peace.
so them people they are liar do. You know, so they want me if you have things. And that's why they come to you with dirty news. I carry on a tell lie upon me. It's them people there. It's y'all Pamela. Anytime he see me on the left, he better take it right. And he see me on the right, he take it left. And yo, me I got to tell woman and tell him if you avoid me, you know. And tap and tell lie upon me, you know, because all of this stuff no cause
You know what? You know what? They say if you listen to a side of the story. But here I know, me and your cousin. But the reason why me believe say you can't me name to Pamela because me know you love chat and love care news for a long time when we did little. I'm me bigger than you. But me remember them days there. Actually, me tell you something. Me I go find out if it true this a time yeah, if it real. If you say it, because once somebody tell me so, and a dirty Pamela way, you and her a friend for a long time. So how are your friend and she can use for you? And what kind of friend that you take up?
Pamela, look your man. And that's why Pamela can't tell lie upon me. If you have sticky upon me now.
So, hold on there. Hey! To where we come to bump.
Yeah.
So, Ashley, me and you are cousin. Me sorry for you and take you up off a road. Because your man turn you out. And you come on my yard and stay. And me a feed you. You not pay light, water, no kind of bills at all. And you know, say, Pamela, they look me man, are they with me man, and you not tell me.
I tell them, me know when me dey on the road, when he go on with himself and a chat boy and say, me a sit and tell you, Ashley, you know, say, me like Candy man, I wouldn't take her man. And me say, stop saying there is something there, Pamela, because if Candy ever find out this, say you're dead. See how he tell me, when he tell me about the picnic.
So hold on there. She use her head for me because she don't want me find out. She don't want me find out.
Pamela mix up. Pamela tell lie upon me. I saw how me I talk about Candy have man. Why am I foolishness?
Candy have man?
Pamela Candy not have no man. Me and her a cousin, but Pamela tell lie upon me.
So hold on there. So just listen to me good. Babes, hold on there. This a story hot. Let me tell you something.
Alright, you're welcome.
You know say me no keep two man one time. So I use Pamela, they use her head for me because her mind tell her say, you are going to tell me say she a keep me man. So that she make sure tell me say.
That she do.
Okay.
And then he must pity for me if he tell lie for me. Yo, it's Pamela, he better abide me.
You catch me at work, that's true.
I don't want me to discuss about this part of the road.
Exactly. I don't care what I want to talk about, I will live at the same place, but why will you just go?
Because me a come on with me heart, the boy love Pamela meet me on the road when me a come on, me don't talk to you. And they tell me say, me one a cousin, they chat how you have woman and how me have man with you and one if I mix up. Wait till me see her.
She.
Alright, now worry yourself. If me judge her wrongfully, sorry, but I wish she tell me say.
She see me and stop me and tell me one bag of.
Come on, man. Come.
Where did
Me
I
a go to the road. Me not bother go down. Me a go to the road. And anytime I see Pamela again, me say if he avoid me because him a mix up. She's a mix up and blend again. Wait till me see Pamela.
Me can't take them sitting there, you know. Me can't take them something, man. When I know one thing and the other.
What happened now? What do you mean you can't take now? What go on?
After me left you down in your workplace, take taxi. The taxi man saying nah, come from them by the road here. So me come off out the road. As me come off, guess who approached me? Yeah. Pamela.
Loudmouth Pamela?
Yes.
So loudmouth Pamela and me get to you.
No,
talk on the street.
Babe, I wish she said to me.
What she said to you?
First of all, she bring my cousin name to me, Ashley. I tell me, oh, Ashley and some man argument and one if I sit in Ashley no say. You they have woman, me they have man and one if I sit in how you have woman with me and me they go on like me all this and all that.
Do you believe her?
Kill me with gun and
do you believe her?
Me did believe, let me tell you the truth. God knows me did believe her. Me did believe her, Jesus. Because Ashley are my cousin. And when he say my cousin no, me they look, but guess what? Me they look into it and they say, me know say Ashley chatty from we did younger, although me did bigger than her for a long time all now. Ashley used to chat and they carry news for me and then sitting there to feed me mother.
Okay.
You understand?
So,
remember say me and Ashley, you know, come from two sister pitney, you know. Feed me mother, Ashley mother, are two sister. So we are cousin.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, me tell you how much time. Come like you're deaf.
No, but the thing is, sometimes you talk.
I know me I believe the girl, but me not looking into
Baby,
it.
you really believe who? You believe Pamela
Me
or
did
Ashley?
believe Pamela, but after me see Ashley,
Mm.
before you come on for the scene, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And me hear what Ashley say. Me kind of believe Ashley.
Yeah.
Because Pamela chatty, worse than Ashley.
So hold on, me don't understand. All right, you make this Ashley and this loudmouth Pamela a ruin me even when you come to workplace and say to me, say, make sure.
No, babes, they
Hey,
make you bun me
you know
so.
much things me do down, so? Right now, I'm tired of one going, man. You know, me can't bother them little he, she, she,
Babes,
and
you know
all
what
these
make you
things.
bun me so? When me look and see how, when we daughter come home from school, and me looking at the bag. Guess how much money I told me no want to tell you down in your workplace. Because me want you drop down there. Me know you don't have no money more than your fear in your pocket.
Nobody let me say.
I know me. I with the teacher them and we don't know already. Say every term we have to pay $35,000. And that the term they gone from last week. So I wait, then can't wait, then give him note in him bag.
You try to use that as an introduction to tell me again, say, the school fee need to pay.
I know that.
So what you talk about?
Let me
Talk what
tell
you
you.
talk about then, man.
Let me tell you, I know that. After Pamela now tell me about Ashley and woman and you and one heap of foolishness. Me I said, no sir. So I hit you really. They do keep woman with me and make you can't get no money. Not even pick the school fee can pay. So me I wonder if a woman you taking money and I give. So me come home mad. Me they come home. Me not even reach down yet. I wish you can see. You can't see me and Ashley.
So I'm forget woman money.
Me the pick me in school fee and pay. Then they bully him at school. Whole heap of pressure they put me head, babes. You have to understand. So
All right,
everything,
you
me they
see-
come home with one grieving and me and vengeance for Ashley. But I told me, she look me book her up on the road. There's me and her that turn over up at the house there today. You know.
Come.
Me tell her say, I turn over before night come down.
So all right,
Oh.
come, cause right now I'm hungry, you know.
I need to get late at night, soon come down for real. And me I tell her say, I must see God make Ashley book me on the road and then you go come on the scene and come. Me I tell her say, you know.
Yeah, come in and come. Come in here, sir. Come in and understand how you make this Ashley and this Pamela take up your time.
Can't bother, you know.
Look at girl, where are you? Eh? You live here? Actually, we have cousin, you know. I'm not yours, cousin.
Oh, you look so vexed, baby. Who trouble you?
He troubled me.
Him who?
She.
She? Which one? Which one of them?
That.
That one?
I'm going to she.
Little girl, come here. What you not have?
Me and I have nothing.
So she tell me stay lick her.
Me never lick her.
So what you threaten her for? What she do to you?
She not do nothing to me and me never that threaten her.
Tell me what she do to you. She lick you. Eh?
No.
What she do? Take away your lunch money at school? What she do? What you tell me? Say, just talk what she do. What she do?
She is not nice. She's mean. Me never do nothing to her. Me don't understand why she say me mean.
You know, say me I get complain. Every evening she come from school, she a complain to me. And they tell me, oh, no, beat her up at school. She come over here so now. She say you threaten her and a pint up in her face and something. Eh? You and her go to same school. And if you never know, you and her a cousin. And that's why she come down here. You understand me? So next time when I see them I beat her up at school and I take away her lunch and something, if me not say if you go fight them through your ear say you and her cousin, but go report it to the principal or talk to one teacher, make the teacher them deal with it in the right way. Because it is wrong to bully kids at school. Look how you're big. Nobody a beat you up at school, take away your lunch and your money and everything.
No.
Okay. Well, even if you are never nothing on no related none at all, you have to learn to take care of the smaller ones them at school. Don't follow the other bigger children them and beat up the smaller kids. It is wrong to intimidate other children and bully other children at school. It's wrong. Them feel offended, them feel scared, them feel all kind of way. You understand? Them feel like them is nobody and like nobody no love them and you wouldn't like nobody do you so. You need to stop it. Else me go make a complaint to your mother. You understand me?
As for now, I'm going to take care of school. Please, not tell mommy, no make sure. I beg you, please. You never know, say me and her cousin, please.
So you promise?
I promise.
So you're not going to put back your hand on her again?
I'm not going to put back my hand.
And the other people picking them, where they beat up you and your friend them. You see them children there? Stop lick them. Stop it people, kids at school. It is wrong. Stop bully people picking. You hear what I say? Else this I go catch further than what you expect. Your mama go here, all when me and her cousin me no care. Your ma go here, the principal go here, your teacher go here, all your friend them go here. You hear what I tell you? And if you rank with me out here today, you know what? Me make you get suspension or expelled from the school. You don't like that?
No.
Okay. You're lucky to have manners to me. Go on in. One chance me they give you no lovely people picnic too much and they take with their money and bully people picnic. You know too out order. Come on. I'm going to tell them so me I make you go home now because Gigi! Gigi!
Yeah.
Me come here now. You hear thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, but the lady no give me no money yet. So tomorrow she say she help you me. So when me see you, me give her a thing here.
Alright, take
Yes.
care here.
Alright. Me
Alright.
go with her now before night come down.
Alright
yeah?
then.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, you're welcome, man.
Action. Yeah, go buy 3 bills, you soon come back. Yeah, this is one. Stop it, nice, man. Yeah, my boss. Where is he going now? Where you want it? Why the engine have been cleaned up now? You see that one? There's a clean up the engine, my boss? Yeah. I'm clean up it now. So, where you go? Is it nice? Yeah. Clean up the silicone for the engine. Okay. Wipe off here and done and wash it off. You can get the gas at gas station to wash it off. Alright, man. Respect our mother. So I'm going to deal with it fast. Yes, sir? Yeah. Alright. So, may I wash my hand? Come. May I wash my hand fast? So, me clean up the engine? Yeah. So, I clean up the silicone off of this and wash it off to come back. Alright, man. Respect. I'm going to deal with it, man. Yeah. Boss, you can't trust me, you know? Trust you, man. Alright, boss. So, prepare off yourself. Everything off of yourself. Yeah. Alright. Clean off the silicone. Alright, boss. So, you're going to get the gas to wash it up. Oh, you saying you're going to get the gas already? Yeah, to wash it up. Alright, boss. Respect. So, me go and clean up. So give me about 5 minutes, my boss. Yeah. So enough money for that one, not your boss. No boss, I deal with you, man. Alright, boss. Yeah, man, you can't say soon come back walk out. So just say that again, just deal with it, boss, you soon come back. Soon come back. No, say that. I can't cut it from 2 cameras. So just deal with it, I soon come back. Yeah, I soon come back. Alright, boss. It's one good, Jesus Christ! Come again. Oh, God can the volume what is on our This sound good, come again. It's one good. Alright, mama, one more time, here. Same thing again. You go on. Who's the second again? High five. High five first. Who says she can act? Anybody knows that she can act?
So come again here.
So she gonna do the same thing again.
Eat out in your mouth so you can't sleep and eat. Sit up and swallow that. Sit up. Swallow that out of your mouth first. Here. Take camera out, get your mouth out. Be asleep, your hand out. So you finish now? You done? Like, alright, you need to tell her when to shut up the eye here. Open your hand.
And as from now on, I'm going to take care of her at school. Just say it in a year. As far now, I'm going to take care of her at school, but I never know something
Me never know say me and her a cousin. As for don't tell mommy, please. I beg you, please.